today's video by saying Nelo, Dana, Sandra, and Editorial. Those 4 people. I just want to tell you guys thank you so much, and I just want to tell myself thank you, Edie.
Hey, editorial don't bust straight to editorial. Now who make you vest like this? Editorial don't define how family channel they be, and she don't tell us how vlog they be. For this video, wait till I repick for inside. She let us know say family channel everything now you fit do. Thank you for that, for bringing that update out. As a big YouTuber you claim and you be, it is true. For me, it's very true, because I remember when I start my channel Esther Family TV, set of my own content creator, when they try to grow, they go do their own meeting. They say they don't even understand the wetin Esther they upload. I say, wetin mean they upload? I go make my daughter hair, I go upload am. I not tell una say na just channel of making hair. I go cook, I go upload am. I tell una say Esther Family TV is family vlog. It's everything our vlog. Now about family. When the person tell me, now I tell the person say those people, the set of people when get content to bring out, they don't even have content. I said, me, I have content. I know wetin I know. I know wetin I want. I say my content is family vlog. If I dey cook, my children fit dey dance, I go fit video them. My children fit dey play, I go video. And they walk out for street. That is true. How could you just tell person say person not get content when you say she dey cook? We, when we be content creator, now wetin we really want to bring out, now we dey bring out. And don't use any people to compare people. Everybody get their dream. Wetin I like about what she talk, she say some, because I know say all content creator, many of them, all of them sef, no be say that they hungry. Now wetin they just like to dey do, now make they open that channel. The video no dey give them money to feed. How much? $10, beef $1. Now you want feed them $1. That one, my sister, no, that one not there at all. Nelo, when you call, Nelo get a channel too, get reaction channel. And now that our sister, you know who they, you know who vex. You know say our sister, Lily Po talk say, me understand the street too. She said she understand the street. Say now people, when you want carry the matter for their head, now they know. We are all content creators. And you see talk say the view, the street, it dey hot, it dey pepper for I be like pepper soup water. I understand. Where me not like where you talk about is where you say the person talk say you not get content, and inside your content, that particular, I know they talk, I mean, you know me, I just they talk inside your content, that particular person bring content out of it. No, if you get reaction channel, when we get reaction channel, please, before we they do anything react, may we always put those people in our shoe. Reaction channel mean to advise, to send message to that person. You can send message to me without no insult. You can send message to me without not turning my content down, like say my wetin I bring out is not good and you are creating content out of it. No, bring it out with love. Like the way you will correct your sister, the way you will correct your brother, always do it like that. It's very good. Because we dey pray one day may we big. If we big, people will still make reaction about us. Imagine people, they make reaction and they talk down of your content. When you sit down, make person go come say wetin you. If they tell me, now make me they talk. Now night I dey feel my soul. Me, because the thing they pay, okay? Please, my brother, my sister, let's do it with love. Okay, nobody know tomorrow. Okay, if you want advice her, as I first talk, advise her with love, not with quarrel, not with harsh word. Yes, for you to tell person when you carry a phone to take film, to take bring her content out, you dey tell her and say wetin she dey bring out, you know, good. All figure that they are not equal. Maybe as she still talk her plan, nobody know her plan, whether na so she even dey or she not carry her dialogue go Dubai, you know, concern anybody. Now wetin she choose to bring out, that is what we dey wash. Please, may we not just dey turn person. It's not easy to create content. Just see person upload video, and many of them they still be content creator. And wetin she upload, e not good. No, e not good at all. It's not good. I beg, may we they think before we do anything. Okay, my sister, you when you say that they feed, no, I not fit feed them. That one, I not take can beg. I not fit feed them. How many people you know? How much YouTube they give? Maybe you when you don't big as a big YouTuber, maybe YouTube they pay you one video as a millions or 1,000, 2,000. How much? What you just tell them, may they have talked to you with advice, because I remember one video and one comment when you say, you see for inside the video, you said you learn with that comment. You said the person just talk with that person comment, you learn to show say many of us when we be content creator, when we get reaction channel, is to show you guys love, then correct you now with love. And you also talk and say, if you want to make video inside my video, correct me with love. Not be say if you do bad, person no say correct you. Or na correction. You might wrong, am I wrong? I don't know. Now for people out there to correct me, you understand? We are here to learn and to know, to break what we know out. I like how you take be natural. Let me say you talk at me, you know me, no. I like how you take be natural. You know they do hair, they do this one, just natural. But when you want to do sit down video, when you still like, as you come out now, I think you look beautiful for your husband and for your people and see they watch you. Okay, no vex. That person make she withdraw her word. That word was too harsh. Tell person say and she not get content to break out. No, you are a content creator. Meanwhile, they do this video now. You know how many times I don't film this video, delete, film, delete, film, delete. Let's you can't say, wait here. No, you're not good, you're not good. I beg, okay? I'll leave in a minute and watch the short video of her when I drop, okay? How Nelo, Sandra, and adeaze'sspace they feed the world. Omo, now not feed anybody.
Today's video by saying Nelo, Dana, Sandra, and editorial. Those 4 people. I just want to tell you guys thank you so much, and I just want to tell myself thank you, Edith, thank you, editorial, thank you, Nelo, thank you, Dana, thank you, Sandra and Alma, and all other persons I've actually not mentioned your name right now. Thank you so much for feeding so many people, like for feeding so many content creators. Yes, putting food on their table for them to eat. Because TN, that this set of content creator who their own my baby and all of that stuff, and that actually made an headline. I don't actually react to things when it is hot. I react to things when I feel like I want to react to it or I want to talk about it. I want to say that here, see, lifestyle, because I've seen a lot of people, like some people actually call me to say that, oh, Edith, why did you make this kind of video? See, this is what they put anything online, or you put everything online, or you record road and put, or you record pot and put. Hello, this particular channel, I just want to educate you people, because I mean, you people like my followers, and also tell those reactors, this particular channel is a lifestyle, and lifestyle requires my life, my whole life. Whether I cook food, I will record it. Whether I go to do my hair, I record it. Whether I travel, I do not travel, I record. Whether I give birth, whether I am not feeling well, whether I am going to swim, whether I am walking on the streets, whether I am going to my small farm, anything I freaking do is a lifestyle. That is why, if you don't know, that is why it is called lifestyle, for heaven's gracious sake. Because I do not understand why you come up to you and then you sit down and be talking rubbish. See, I will start doing fasting and prayer. I'm praying for you people, because if you use the content that I sit down, do makeup, find clothes where I go wear, carry my pikin go keep for one place or give person make he help me take care of, and I sit down here to create content, and then when you come watch the content finish, you can't download them, can't go sit down analyze and talk rubbish. I go sit down swear for you say you no go ever go reach me.